students, welcome, and today we will discuss 5 ways by which you can learn English by yourself or you can prepare for the IELTS test by yourself. The first one is set clear timelines and goals. I have often seen students not setting any timeline or goal with regards to when they want to complete their IELTS exam. Some students take 6 months, some students take 8 months, others take an year also for the IELTS test. Why? Because they have not set any timelines, they have not set any goals for themselves. They think that they come to the class, study, and then go home. They don't do any kind of revision, they don't practice anything, and these are the students that fail the most. So it is important that you set timelines for yourself, set a goal for yourself. When are you going to practice your modules, listening, reading, writing, and speaking? How you will reach the intermediate level and how you will reach the advanced level. When you will reach the advanced level. It should be possible with hard work that you can prepare for the exam within 2 months. The second one is building vocabulary. Building vocabulary is very important. So, how do you do it? You do it by reading books, journals, and magazines. You also make sure that you read books or magazines that have various kinds of topics so that you can prepare and learn about different kinds of topics. So, make sure that you read the newspaper that has various kinds of topics, not only just sports or politics, but also different topics so that you can learn about different things and you can increase your knowledge there how. Third one is practice speaking. Now practicing speaking is important. Why? Because it helps to not only remove any edginess from yourself, but also it makes sure that you can deliver on time, deliver when it is needed the most. So how you should practice? You should practice with a friend. You can practice in front of a mirror, or you can practice with a family member also. It will help you to remove any kind of you know nervousness, as well as it also will help you removing any kind of preconceived notion about the speaking test. Another point with practicing is that make sure that you record what you have spoken. We all have a camera, so it is important that you record your sessions so that you can go later and find what mistakes you have committed and how you can improve. The fourth one is listen to your favorites and repeat. This will help you in improving your listening module. Listening to your favorite things. You can listen to podcasts, music, as well as understand topics that you are not familiar with. So, for example, try to listen to news channels with native English speaking. So, for example, you can listen to the BBC or you can listen to other news, CNN, for example, so that you can learn what the accent is, especially because this is the IELTS test. I want you to listen to British news channels more so that you can get to know about the accent and also try to listen to different kinds of podcasts that will also improve your knowledge. Okay. The fifth one is immersing yourself. Try to immerse yourself in the test. Try to make sure that you try to learn everything. What do I mean? I mean, try to find different topics, make your opinions about those topics, and write them down. Listen to different things and try to inculcate more knowledge. Also speak more, speak in the language itself, because if you do not do that, if you think that the exam is difficult, I'm not able to remove the nervousness factor. Well, the only way to remove the nervousness or remove any kind of nervousness is to speak more, speak aloud. Also, whenever you are reading, I want you to speak aloud, not like hush, hush, oh, hello, you're reading something. Just like in our school days, in our childhood days, teachers used to make us stand up and read aloud a lot the paragraph itself. So try to read as much as possible and read aloud as possible so that you can listen to your own voice, because that will not only remove any nervousness, that will also tell you what mistakes you are doing. Okay, so these are 5 ways by which you can practice the IELTS by yourself. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button